Hello everyone, I am Luca Cianni from Norton Saint-Gobain. Today I show you why Norton SuperFlexible Film Q775 is the best choice for preparation before painting, but also to remove clear coat defects as orange peel, nibs and runs. Norton Q775 is the best option in the finer sanding step due to its outstanding flexibility. It's perfect for hard-to-reach areas. The grit range is available from P600 to P3000, including 15-ohm discs and pre-cut sheets. For discs, I suggest the Interface Norton Self-Grip Duo. For manual application, try our dedicated pads soft and double-sided soft and rigid. With our new Q775, you can work smarter and achieve uniform finish and homogeneous results easily. Please leave your comments below and we get back to you as soon as we can. If you like this video, follow us on our YouTube Norton channel. Thanks for watching and take care.